In this example, we're going to find our missing value of v. It's another right triangle trig problem. We're going to first start off by identifying where our angle of perspective is. Our angle of perspective is down here in the bottom left. It's 70 degrees. We have this side up here, which is 9, and this side here, which is v. Once we establish that angle of perspective, we're going to identify what sides we're working with. So this side down here would be our hypotenuse. That's the side that's directly across from our right angle. This side up here is our opposite leg, the side that's directly across from our angle of perspective. Now we're going to figure out which of the trig functions it is that we would use for this problem. We need the one that is going to work with the opposite leg and the hypotenuse. So that looks like it would be the sine function right here. Sine is opposite and hypotenuse. We're going to ignore the other two and we're going to set up our equation. The sine of the angle is equal to the opposite leg over the hypotenuse. Plug in our values. Our angle is 70 degrees. Our opposite leg has a length of 9. Our hypotenuse has a length of v, or represented by v. Now, because the v is in the denominator of our ratio, we're going to diagonal exchange that with the sine of 70. Remember, the sine of 70 travels as a full unit. You cannot break it up as we do this, as we do our algebra here. So we're going to exchange those two pieces. What that does is it puts the v up here on the left-hand side by itself. It moves the sine of 70 down into the denominator of the ratio as a full unit. Now at this point, you're able to calculate 9 divided by the sine of 70, which gives you a value of 9.578, which is our solution to our problem. So this side length here, the hypotenuse, would be 9.578.